Hi friends, here Anika has to do a multiplication. Instead of multiplying with 35, she multiplied with 53. So the product is higher by 540. Then what does that mean? What is the number and what is the new product? This is what we have to find out. Very simple. Let's say the number is A. Now instead of A times 35, she did A times 53. Right. If she has done correctly, then she would have received A times 35. That is 35A. But she did wrong. That's why she got 53A. Right. Now it is given the result is 540 higher. That means this result is higher by 540 than this result. Right. So 53A minus 35A is equal to 540. That means 18A equals 540. That means A equals 30. That means the original number which she had to do was 30. She had to multiply with 30. 30 into 35 was what she has to do. And she did 30 into 53. Right. And what is the new product? What is the new product? Obviously 53 into 30, which is 1590. Pretty straightforward problem. Right? Yes.